My name is Pam, and I've been on the program for about 45 days now, and I've lost 33 pounds to date. I feel great. My A1C has dropped over 2 points. My doctors couldn't be prouder of me. So I feel great, got a lot of energy, and I love the program.
Hi, my name is Lori. I'm 61 years old, and I am so excited about this program. This is my day 40th right now, and I've lost 33 pounds 39 days yesterday. So I'm doing awesome. The best part of this whole program is my health and the weight. Also, I was on 2 different kinds of insulins. I am no longer on insulins anymore. Don't have to do shots anymore. All done. So with the insulin, I've been off my insulin for 31 days. It took me 9 days to get there, to get off of it, but it's okay. 31 days now, no insulin. And I also have blood pressure pills, and it took me 20 days to get off of it. I've been off of it now for 20 days, no more blood pressure pill. And also my cholesterol pill, that's been about a week, and then off of that ever since. So I'm really excited about this program. It's the best thing I ever did in my life. I'm starting to get new clothes. My husband just is thrilled to death, and I want to thank everybody for helping me out, and try it, you'll love it. I wasn't even hungry from day one. Everybody says, oh, I can't do that. Oh, yes, you can. You got to try it. I wasn't hungry, and it's really a weird thing, but you're not hungry.
Hi, I'm Debbie. I have lost 36 pounds in 43 days. My energy has absolutely tripled, and my blood sugar, my fasting blood sugar, has dropped from the 150s down to the low 80s. It's a great program.
Great. Was it hard?
Not at all. Super easy.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Dan Callahan. Been on a program for 10 days. This is day 10. I've lost 14 pounds. Type 2 diabetic. I did not take any of my insulin since I started the program, and my sugar is down under 120 consistently. When I was on insulin, my sugar was up anywhere from 200 to 180 to 200s. So far so good. I've had 2 or 3 doctors, endocrinologists that I went to tell me that it's not possible once you're on insulin. You need to stay on it, and maybe that's not so true. We'll check back with you in some more days. Dan Callahan, day 40, lost 40 to 42 pounds. The last time I took a video, I think it was day 10, and I was off of my insulin medication. I was diabetic, still am, or maybe I'm not. Have not taken any insulin in 40 days. My sugar's normal. It's 80 to 90. I feel great. It's an incredible plan. Really looking to get the sugar under control, which this has just been incredible. I've never seen nothing like it. And a lot of people, you're skeptical when somebody sits here and tells you something, and you probably will when you hear this, but it's for real, and it works. And if you're somebody that's diabetic, I would encourage you to try it, because I've seen it work. I've got all my readings for the 40 days, and it's just unbelievable. I go to see my endocrinologist on February 17th, so I'm looking forward to showing her what I was not supposed to be able to do.
My name is Dr. Jim Osiwala, and I want to tell you about something that was a miracle in my life. Health for Wellness program. I lost 35 pounds in the first 44 days. I have lost 80 pounds total. I am off insulin, off 9 medications a day, 4 different types of blood pressure. And I thank God for this program, for Dr. Osiwala and the supportive staff. I've learned a new way to live, a new way to eat, and I have health in my life that I haven't had in years. So get a part, be a part, and take advantage of what's happening here at Dr. Osiwala's office.